Okay, this is a test on my 94 Caprice, which has a rebuilt bottom end LT1. Trying to troubleshoot some oil pressure issues here. As you can see, it's running at probably about 185 or 180 coolant temp. Fuel or oil pressure is sitting probably around 50-55 psi at idle. This is hot idle. I've been driving the car for about 15 minutes, kind of doing some hard runs on it. So I'm going to show you guys what the oil pressure does here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out and I'm going to put it in second gear and just kind of let it work its way up the red line and show you that the oil pressure kind of climbs constantly with the RPMs here. So we're just going to run it up to 5,500 or so. Pressure climbs up to around 80 psi or so. Now where things get a little bit dicey is if I do a full throttle run. So let's see, we'll slow down here, we'll get it back down into first gear, and I'm going to romp on it, and you'll see that the oil pressure jumps up, but then it drops down, and it drops down almost dramatically. So here we go. So I wasn't really watching to see what it did that time. I was more concentrating on the road, so hopefully I got decent footage of that. I'm going to stop and see what it looks like.